Hi guys, today I'm sharing a simple, traditional and nourishing dish. Unripe plantain served with Ugba sauce is very delicious. Let's get to it. For the ingredients, you're gonna need unripe plantain, Ugba, palm oil, scent leaf or uziza leaves, crayfish, pepper and onions, seasoning cube, salt and smoked fish for extra flavor. So let's start by cooking the plantains. You're going to cut them into chunks or into twos. Then you're gonna boil with a pinch of salt until it becomes tender. So depending on your plantain, this should take around 15 to 20 minutes. So while that is cooking, we're going to go right ahead and prepare our other ingredients. That's slicing the onions to blending or grinding your pepper mixture. So when you slice your onions, you're just going to place it in a bowl and then set it aside for use later. And then for your peppers, especially the tatashi, you just cut it up, you open it, and then you take out the seeds. All right, that's what I always do. I take out the seeds so I can lessen the spiciness. Take out the seeds and those veins, and then you're going to blend everything together, and then you're going to also put that aside. So when you're done with your prep, you're going to start making the Ugba sauce. Heat some palm oil in a pan. We're not gonna bleach it, okay? We're just warming it up enough. And then we're going to add chopped onions. You fry that a little bit until fragrant. And then you're going to add your blended pepper. Then you're gonna stir for a few minutes and let it come together. So now you're just going to go ahead and add your smoked mackerel if you're using it, and then you add your Ugba. You're going to stir it together and then let it cook gently so the flavors can all come together. Next, you're going to add your crayfish. You're gonna go in with your seasoning cubes, and then you're also going to go in with salt. Stir to combine properly. Okay, make sure everything is well incorporated. We're going to let it cook for a little while, and then we're going to go in with our scent leaf or uziza leaves if that's what you're using. So when you add your scent leaf, you're going to stir it a little bit, and then you're going to take it off the heat. Okay, the aroma at this stage is everything. Our unripe plantain is also cooked at this stage, so we are gonna serve it with our rich and flavorful Ugba sauce. This meal is not just delicious, it's packed with fiber, flavor and heartwarming tradition. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, Leave a comment below and subscribe for more tasty recipes.